Yeah, this is a real estate. This is real estate. Let's talk about it. Quick update on Kenya Moore and her hair spa. So there are court documents, fresh filings as of last week, I believe, and it's not looking great. It looks like Kenya's still dealing with eviction. The landlord is doubling down, and now there's 100 pages of receipts. Let's break it down real quick. So here's where things stand on her salon. Since December, they're saying that Kenya hadn't paid no rent since 2024. December 2024. The landlord, Northland Chambly, they already filed for eviction, and now they officially responded to her countersuit. And she's countersued. She's saying they owe her $85,000 for a tenant improvement allowance, basically be reimbursements for the money she spent building out the space. Now, this week, last week, the landlord responded in two separate filings. One of them is 100 pages long, and they seem to be pretty serious about this. The legal response is simple, though. Kenya didn't follow the lease terms. That's why leases are put in place. Leases are put in place as a guide on how to go about this business. What you got to do, what I got to do. And they're saying that she did not follow the lease term. This is why they're saying. They said she allegedly didn't provide documentation that was required to receive the reimbursement. They're not just trying to give money away. They ain't trying to give you no money. If they ain't got to do it, they ain't. All right. Now, her company, More Vision Media, is listed on the lease. And that LLC has been administratively dissolved by the state. So she's basically trying to countersue on behalf of the LLC. In plain terms, the company that signed the lease no longer exists. So not only are they trying to evict her, they're arguing her countersuit has no legal merit and no legal standing as a consequence. So they also want attorney fees and all court costs covered by her company. And since she hasn't paid anything into the court registry, they're essentially saying she's a squatter. She's a squatter. She's squatting. Well, she was a squatter because now, of course, we've seen a few content creators actually go over to the space and it's no longer open. Now her stuff looks like it's still in there, so maybe that she's squatting in that regard, but it doesn't look like it's open at all. There's even speculation that Kenya might try to file bankruptcy through her LLC just to walk away from it, but that's not confirmed. Now, while all this is happening, she's been overseas, Dubai trips and social media posts, and nothing that suggests that she's even concerned or worried about this whatsoever. So, all in all, her business is dissolved administratively. The court is moving forward, and she doesn't seem to be too concerned about it. So I guess we'll see how this shakes out. Now, let me know what you all think of this. Who do you think is in the right? Who do you think is in the wrong? Even though the law is simply easily spelled out, and they've made an amazing case in that 100-page document. So I'm not really sure how she gets out of this. So let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Hit like, subscribe, and I'm Lamb. And until next time, peace out.